Hello, everyone. This is Kimberly Miller, your holistic health expert and owner of Healing with Excellence. Today is part of the education series where I discuss a workshop or certification so that you can decide which one is the right investment for you. We're going to discuss Food Foundations 101 today. This is the workshop that I created that is about 1.5 hours long, and it's going to help you understand the foundational piece, the foundational nutrition that your cells have to have in order to maintain homeostasis, in order to have optimal metabolism, fat loss, bone renewal, healthy tissue, healthy heart function, healthy thyroid function. A lot of individuals do not realize that our physicians, our allopathic model, even some of our holistic models are not covering the basics to cell biology and what our body has to have to function appropriately. Our body has to have nutrients and specific nutrients coming in so that our cells can signal correctly and we can feel absolutely amazing. And there's certain things we've been told that are healthy that actually create miscommunication within the cells and or increase things like chronic pain, hair loss, infertility. And so in Food Foundations, I teach you those basics so that you know how to understand things like pesticides, anti-nutrients, nutrients, caloric need, mycotoxins, lots of information that really is made simple so that it makes sense to the everyday person and that you can quickly and easily start to implement specific steps into your daily lifestyle, like literally the next day, where you might have been making inadvertent mistakes that you didn't know was holding back your metabolism or creating pain or creating high blood pressure. So these are going to be tips that some of you have never heard before, and it's definitely worth the 1.5 hour investment. The average cost of a dietitian is about 120 bucks an hour. And I can guarantee you could probably go to at least 10 sessions with your dietitian. And sadly, because we're not being taught this in conventional academia, you may never hear the information that you're going to learn in this 1.5 hour investment. If you have any questions, thoughts, or need clarification, please post below. Please message me. And I pray this workshop gives you the same return on investment that is offered to me for the last 15 years. Have a beautiful night, and thank you so much.